What up, people? How's it going? So, I'm sitting here next to my new house. You wanna have a look? This would be my new home. Not all that. There are multiple houses in here, but this is mine. So let's have a look inside. We're gonna have 3 rooms and 1 big salon. Okay, so here will be the kitchen, probably, and here is gonna be the guest room, I guess, it's like a salon or something. We got the 7 square feet of back garden and some storage room in here, a small bathroom. No, we'll have just a toilet and probably a sink. And let's go upstairs and have a look. So here will be the second bathroom, where we'll have like sink, toilet and bathtub, probably shower. This is my bedroom, me and my fiance's bedroom. Then probably in here I'll have my computer and my work desk. It's not very big, but still decent. And then in here will be my brother's bedroom. Probably he'll have his PC in here. And yeah, this is the first look on the house. I cannot open this for now, but we'll do whenever, you know, we actually start moving in. And this here is the heating. The heating is already on. So yeah, pretty cool. We got a nice view over here. We got like 7 feet square of back garden. So it starts from here, probably there. Where's the corner? Boom, boom, some nice barbecue. And that's pretty much it with the house. First we were meant to buy the house next door, where that tree hits the balcony, but because the bank didn't approve the mortgage, we had to wait. And luckily the couple that were supposed to buy this house didn't show up to the register office to sign the paperwork, and we were able to grab it. Easy. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will come back on with a new vlog probably by the time we start doing stuff in here. So like furniture and stuff, gaming rooms and work rooms and bedrooms and whatever. Well, after we finish everything, I'll be able to make a new vlog on how it looks like, you know, when it's done. See you next time. Bye bye.